Welcome to your dream retreat. Have you ever envisioned a life where the gentle whispers of the wind meet the soothing sounds of a nearby river, creating a symphony of tranquility around your own countryside haven? Picture this, a charming two-story cottage, patiently waiting for your touch of magic. I'm standing at the very heart of this picturesque landscape, and I can't help but wonder, could this be the place you've always longed for? Let's explore this gem together. This cozy 120 square meter cottage, crafted from solid brick, is a canvas ready for your personal renovation masterpiece. With a sprawling 1720 square meter plot of land, you're not just buying a home, you're embracing a lifestyle. As I stand here, the property unfolds at the village's edge, revealing an open barbecue area that peers over the enchanting Danube River. Immerse yourself in the essentials of modern living: running water, electricity, internet, and satellite television. And, as if nature itself is gifting you an extra touch, there's a natural spring beside the house. Can you hear the gentle murmur of the water? Beyond the walls of your potential new home lies a community blessed with clean air and breathtaking views. Imagine casting your fishing line into the Danube, or perhaps spending an afternoon on your own boat. The village, complete with food stores, a bar, a post office, and reliable public transport, is a charming backdrop for the life you've been dreaming of. Now, let me ask you this: can you see yourself waking up to the sunrise over the Danube, sipping coffee on your veranda, surrounded by the serenity of nature? What dreams would you bring to life with this canvas of endless possibilities? I want to hear your thoughts, so drop your answers in the comments below. As you consider this property, envision the opportunities that await. Could this be your permanent home, a retreat for holidays, or perhaps the canvas for a small farm and bed and breakfast business? And let's not forget the sweet hum of honeybees, a venture that promises a harvest of profits in the short to middle term. The land is yours to nurture, 100% freehold and fertile. What crops would you cultivate? What stories will this land tell under your care? Reach out to us today, because opportunities like these don't linger. The flexible payment plans cater to your unique needs, making this dream a reality. Drop a comment and let us know your dreams for this space. Hit the like button if you can already feel the embrace of this countryside escape. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on our channel, your gateway to more dreamscapes and opportunities. Don't miss out on this extraordinary chance. Contact us now, and let's turn your dream into a countryside reality.